In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer! Non-financial advice! We're not liable for any personal financial decisions. This segment was meant to be for entertainment purposes only, so thank you for tuning in. We are excited to be here. What is up, everybody? Welcome into the Blockchain Brew Show. I'm your host today, T Square. Guys, are we bullish? Are we bullish, guys? Before we get started on what's happening in crypto, please smash that golden like button. Get them likes up in the house. We also have a subscribe bell right here. Your ring-a-ding-ding and your ring-a-ding-ding, guys. And with that subscribe bell, you can find us over there on YouTube. We just kind of grow all natural on YouTube, and then got Kick and Rumble. We like it clean, free, and uncensored over there. So we're also over on Kick and Rumble. YouTube, please do not censor us on that note. Thank you, guys, for everybody who tuned in. Welcome into the most hydrated crypto community. Who do we have in the chat? We have DZ. Can you look at Pangu and THQ for me? Are we bullish, John? Well, yes and no. We've been bullish for the fact that we think there is a rally coming back in. We've been saying, 97K before we departed to possibly 68K. See here, as a good weekly close, I think, guys, I'll make something special. I got this fancy crystal glass, and what should we make today? I got me my little American First whiskey. I figured I'm gonna do something special today for the weekly close. Pop it open, do a little bottle pop. We'll pour a little bit of whiskey in the glass. Not too much, guys. Just 2 fingers now. Cap back on. I'm gonna show you something cool. Probably picture worthy to people put in the Discord. There you guys go. Got a couple glasses right there. And then I have this little contraption. You guys ever seen one of these? You know what this is? It's a smoker. So you open it up, you have a little filter right there with a hole in the bottom. And I got some pear wood chips I'm going to add to it. Ooh, there we go. Pear chips. So you're going to unscrew this cap right here. And the cap, we got the wood chips. You're going to take a little bit of the wood chips. I'll see if I can sit up so you guys can see it. Pull up the glass. Put a little bit of these wood chips in that little burn filter. I'm spilling. My chips. My chips, I gotta scoop them up. Get a couple more in there. Have a few more. I'm gonna add a few more in. And I'll get just a little bit. Grab some more. There we go. We got wood chips in there. Pick up the little filter so you guys can see the wood chips are in there. Indeed, there's a little bit. Put that back on your glass. We put the lid back on our little pear flavor. As you know, we're the most hydrated crew out there. Put that down. And you take a little bit of a torch, right? So you got here the glass. See if I can do this. I gotta stand up so you guys can see it. All right, Jasmine's pumping good. All right, here we go, guys. See the smoke going into the glass. And torch those chips. Get them all going. Ooh, there we go. See it smoking, guys? Going into the glass. Smells good too. Put the little cap on there. Look at that. Look at it smoke up. Give it a little couple stirs. Get that whiskey absorbing that pear smoke. Oh yeah, that's fancy, guys. Should I take a picture of this and send it to Daily? It's looking nice. We'll have to go back and check on. I'm gonna take a little picture for the brew crew, guys. For you guys in the Discord, I'll have to send it to you. Heat a little bit better place. Smoky, guys. I'm torching it up. Cheers to the blockchain brew. Oh man, look at that. Get a couple more turns, man. Woo, get that smoke and that flavor going in there. I'm gonna actually relight it, get some more smoke in there. You can see me light it now. Yeah, get it nice and smoky. Relight. Come back in a few minutes, taste it, try it out for you guys. All right, let's get it, man. Let that drink get all flavorful. Actually moved something off my phone. I wasn't supposed to do that. All right, we're back. Slap open. That Paris chip smelled good. Let's jump into the charts. Bada bing, bada boom for the weekly close. Bitcoin looking hot and spicy right now in the 1 hour. Got the little green dot coming on in. Look at that green dot pumping, man. Good little trigger wave. Below the 21, we're breaking above it. 4 hour, we have a little bit of momentum cool off, but the money flow is still looking good. VWAP's nice. It's zigzagging, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. We like that. Nice, quick, low, rapid. 12 hour, it still has some momentum. It's been pretty hot though. Come into the daily. You know, there's a couple green dots. We could have longed right there. Caught some gains. 2 days has been ripping. 2 day has a nice anchor trigger wave coming on in off this green dot right here. Boom, bang, baby. Would have been probably a bad time to hit that long, wait for it to cool off before you were to enter back into it. The 3 day momentum's been coming on in. We've breaking above the 200. We're at the 21 right now. Very nice, very nice. We have 5 day. 5 day has been bullish, guys. We had the double green dot. Momentum's been coming on in on the 5 day. Just couldn't give up hope. Weekly, the green dot's turning out. We got a doji candle. Possible trend reversal. Possible trend reversal, guys. The question is, are we going to make are we going to break up to like 106 and break back down to a lower low, or we're going to hold it? You got the 2 week today? Oh, we got the 2 week today too. Good data coming on in the 2 week. Rejection off 1, 2, 3, 4 possible times off the 50 MA. I like that. That is nice, man. We don't get the monthly for a long time, so we got to wait and hold out for that. Very nice, though. I could see this playing out. What do you guys think? Come back over the daily. How much time we got left? We got 4 minutes. Can we cover Pengu in 4 minutes, guys, before we come back into Bitcoin? Oh, should we? Silver's chilling out, $74. Pengu. Where's Pengu at? Oh, these are S's. What am I freaking doing? What am I freaking doing, man? Pengu, there it is. Wow, Pengu's been hot. Just like Pepe and Bonk have been hot, guys. It's very nice. I got stopped out in my Pepe shorts. It's okay. You know, that's a risk versus reward. Right now, I'm Pengu on the 4. There's a doji candle for possible trend reversal. We do have a strong golden cross. Looks like it does want to take a little bit of a breather. It's probably not done pumping yet. We're probably halfway there because we'll probably reach up to the 200. Probably what we're going to head up for. Daily, same thing. Got the double green dots looking nice, man. Lots of momentum. We're rocketing up right now. Very good. Look at that swing up. Anchor trigger wave. Look at that VWAP. Money flow's pouring in, dude. Oh, yeah. Pengu could be on the move, man. Making some gains. Where the heck is the 200 at? We don't have a 200 on the 2 day, do we? I guess we don't. Not bad, man. 5 days is doing the same thing. Reaching up. Yeah, it looks like it still has more to go, man. It could get to that 21. No reason why not. We get the 8-day close early this week. 8-day has a green dot too. Weekly green dot has a price target at least coming up to the 21, which is double the price where it's at. We'll have to wait and see, man. We'll have to just wait and see. Swing on over to BTC. How much time we got left for the week? Like 2 minutes, man. That was it. Jasmine, please. Okay, we can cover Jasmine. We got 2 minutes. Can we cover Jasmine in 2 minutes? Jasmine has been asleep for a long time, ever since the announcement came out. Minute and a half left. I don't know if I could cover it this fast. Jasmine. Oh my goodness. Jasmine's been beaten down for a long time. Looking at it backwards, you know, it does look like its bottom. You got the doji candle for possible trend reversal. Double green dots looks very, very prime for a good pump. Yeah, John, I think Jasmine looks good. The 2 weeks pretty dang close to that double green dot. We could actually figure that out in about 2 minutes. The 3-day Jasmine has started its uptrend. We came up to the 21. That's where we're sitting right now. The 2 minute is starting to break through. We have green dots all over the map saying, let's freaking go. Let's get the show on the road. It wants to. If we could break through the 21, get up to the 50, there's no reason why we can't come up to the 200, which is like 130% gains coming on in possibly for Jasmine. Pressure coming in. VWAP still looks good on the daily. 12-hour momentum still looks like it's more to go. Price target of 80087. I'm trying to go quick, so we got 37 seconds. Okay, I have to come back to Jasmine, which we'll do and cover the 2 week. Okay, then over to Bitcoin, watching that weekly. We're gonna watch that 2 week close, and then we're gonna backtrack it. Get this data all looking nice and pretty, so we can see it nice and wide. And I'm gonna take a sip of this, man. So we got the smoke in there. We're gonna mix the whiskey around. Let's try it. Ooh, smoky, man. Look at that. Ooh, smells like pear. Oh yeah, smooth as smooth can be. 2, 1, boom, baby. Here's our candle printing right now. Oh, nice. That does look like a possible trend reversal coming in for Bitcoin on the 2 week time frame. 4 rejections off the 21. Very, very nice. You know, I'm still not full on bulls or in the control, but I do think in the next, let's say 2 months, we should be back up on average price of 103,000 for the 2 week time frame. And you know what? If we break up to that, there's a possibility we could come up to the 200, which that would be a full on, you know, denial of the downtrend we're in. So, you know, we could hope for that. That's what we're hoping for. We want this bull run. We never got a bull run, man. Let's be totally bull run for the memes. We never did. What the heck is this? I don't know what this is. Somehow I put a yellow line in here. I must have did that by accident. Weekly, it looks like a reversal, man. It does look like it was trying to pump up. Oh wait. Oh, I was looking at one of my yellow lines, thinking it was the 200. Whoops, 200 is way below us. We don't want to pump to the 200. That's pumping down, but we do see a possible uptrend coming up to Bitcoin. The weekly is saying possibly 101,000, 100,000. Strength reversing. Stokes RSI still high, but reversing. We got double green dots coming on in. Very nice. What is that? The bottom, guys? We don't get the 5-day. 5-day we get tomorrow. The 3-day we have more momentum coming on in. We're breaking above the 200 on the 3-day. Wow, BTC. And it's trying to break above the 21. Very nice, dude. That is awesome. We got the 2-day close. We are above the 21 on the 2 days. Wow, 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 wow. We could take that, man, any day. Take that to the bank. The daily, we're above the 21 and the 50. With the possible price target. Oh, Bitcoin just hit 92,000 with the price target of 106 on the table. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Is it on? A Donkey Kong with Genghis Kong. 21 crossing the 50. Momentum still going up. We're at a prime level of resistance right now. H. There we go. We're bouncing off this little area of resistance. Let's get above it, man. This would be a strong key level to break above. Or BTC. I'm kind of curious about Jasmine now. We got 4-hour green dot, wants to pump throughout the night. Wow, look at that. Are we creating a CME gap? Yes. Yes, we are creating a CME gap. Does that make me nervous? A little bit nervous. It's just part of the game, man, the BTC game. Wow, look at the strong pump on the 1 hour. Holy cow, it does look like it wants to leg back up. Jump up another $1,000 for BTC. I just had a bink. I think that was in the Discord. 15-minute. Wow, look at that 15-minute. We pumped into that close so strongly. Wow. That's beautiful, Bitcoin. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was worried we were going to Bart Simpson again because that's all we've been doing. Wow, look at the money flow coming down, nice and smooth coming down, and a fat, giant gulp to the upside. Look at the momentum waves. Holy cow. Right there, you can just see a giant leap up of the momentum. Stokes RSI low. It's still pumping. Ebec is pumping too. Oh, we have to take a look, man. Let's jump over to Jasmine, man. I'm really kind of curious. Well, maybe should we take a look at Ethereum? Like Ethereum's doing its thing too, huh? Ethereum shows continuation in the 1 hour, 4 hour. It looks like it's trying to break out of this uptrend. 33%, it does not break out. But if it does break out, that's super bullish for the legging up, man. We do have a possible bearish divergence coming on in, but money flow is still looking good. VWAP's right where we want it to be, where we can shoot up. 12 hour, we do have a red dot, has not confirmed it. We just got it, so it's going to do a die time, man. It's do or die. So that being said, if we pump down tomorrow, we feel a CME gap, and we can continue going right back up. So we got to try to find the good news and the bad news scenario. Yo, what's up, bro? Short. Do the CME gap on BTC soon? Yeah, that's what I was just talking about, man. CME gap. Where's that gap at anyways? BTCC daily, get off hiking a she's. There's a gap right here. 89,000. That's not that bad a gap. There's a gap right there. 88,000. Oh, here's our gap. Yeah, this is our gap. We can connect these gaps. It's not a bad gap though. 989. Not a bad gap. We could totally fill that and totally be fine. Totally, man. 90K. Yeah, that's not bad, dude. I mean, that's a baby gap. If it was like 5,000, like when we first started pumping on BTC to like 120,000, we made a gap, a nasty gap. You know, it was like $10,000 on a weekend. And I was like, oh, I have all the days to pump. Like, this is great, but it's not. It's super great at the same time. Let's swing on over to Jasmine, and then let's cover THQ, and then we got to cover Zebek. I'm trying to do an order switch swap, because I know Axe asked for 2, and DZ asked for 2 too as well. So, and I kind of wanted to finish up on Jasmine. Where you at, Jasmine? It's THQ. There it is. I'm kind of curious. The 2 week got. Oh, 2 week did get the green dot for the reversal. Nice. I mean, it's not confirmed, but we got the double green dot. Well, strong possible reversal for Jasmine. Bless you, John. Thank you. Drive safe, man. You guys got a lot of ice out there. 2 weeks, man. We got a double green dot momentum, full on reversal. Looks like there's a pump coming on in, man. Momentum swinging into Jasmine. Even the dailies to confirm it. Yeah, we're bullish, John. I'm bullish on all crypto. I don't want to say short term, but I give it like a 2-month span of being bullish. Because to me, I want to see Bitcoin get above some of those key levels that we talked about, like 97K is like one of them. 103 is kind of one of them. We kind of have to figure out if we can get enough momentum to break out of this reversal zone that we're in right now. Citus Heroes. Citus is in here? I didn't see him. Oh, what's up with Citus Heroes? You're talking about Citus. I have to take a look at Citus. Isn't that an Alex Becker call? I think he was the first one I heard Citus from. Let's swing on over to we did Jasmine. We want to do THQ. And then I got to scroll back up, John. Just remember what coin you were asking about. THQ. Down in the duper, man. Even 94K heavy resistance. Yeah, man. But look at the memes, dude. The memes are freaking fire, dude. Memes are hot right now. Everything's been pumping on the memes. Whew. Look, it comes in quick and heavy. Oh my goodness. I like how the VWAP is kind of keeping it. If you look at the momentum on the VWAP wave, we have a curvature to the upside. Otherwise, I would be a little bit nervous of it coming down, continue the momentum to the downside. But the fact that it has a curvature right there is nice. We reject off the 21. I don't like how all three of our time windows on the 1 hour are bundled together. Seems like it's about to make an explosive move up or down. The momentum was super negative on the 4 hour time frame. Currently, we're about break even. You know, money flow has been coming in, so I would lean bullish, even though momentum's kind of like break even. Hey, what's up, Daniel Coffin? How you doing, good sir? Stupid, do dash, please. I will do dash for you. You came in, your coin will be next, and then we cover Zebek or that. I'm trying to like do a rotation where everybody's like happy, I guess. I haven't seen you in a minute too, so I feel okay about doing that. 12-hour momentum still doing good on THQ. It does look like this could have been a bottom on that green dot that on the 12-hour we had. Momentum's been doing good. Yeah, man, it's time to like end the shorts in the market and start longing everything. Let's take a look at Dash for Daniel Kaufman. Pepe, what's up, Vision? Hey. I got stopped out of my Pepe short, man. I was really, I was going to close it out in profit. I didn't set my stop, take profit when I was sleeping, and I woke up. And I was like, son of a biscuit, it hit where I wanted it to hit to take my profits, and it wicked up, and I was just like, we'll see. I held on until I got stopped out, man. Hey, it was a good call. Good for you, Vision. I hope you made a lot of gains. Hope you took some profits. Take the profits off the table is the hardest thing to do, man. Taking losses suck, but taking profits is even harder. Where am I looking at? Where's Dash? Oh, I was looking on it. Dash. All right. We got the 2 week coming in for Dash. Momentum still coming down. Now, hold on. Now, I think it's just lagging behind everything else. So I think everything else might have a front run, like memes and THQ and some of the other Jasmine. And that profit might come into Dash because the VWAP actually just got a little bit of curvature. Look at the VWAP starting to curve out. We got money flow coming in. The Stokes RSI VWAP have stopped curving down. So momentum's still coming down, the blue waves. But also, our wicks, tweezer bottom wicks. So there's a chance that we reverse. And also, we're bouncing off rejection off the 21 right there. Boom, boom. This is the type of zones I would be looking to actually get an entry on these types of trades, Daniel. Momentum where we haven't flipped full on bullish yet. We're -1 to a 5, but this is looking like a good opportunity to get into a strong trade. Money flows are fine. VWAP's curving up. Everything else is kind of unbiased. But what I'm looking at right now is we're looking at the charts is we're in between we're literally rejecting out the 200 and 21. The 200 is a much stronger number. We wick down right here in the weekly, just slightly below the 200. Slightly a little higher than the week before, but still kind of wicked down below. But we're closing above it. We're starting. If you're looking at the candles, you got the candle bottoms are making higher highs, or higher lows. Pardon me. Higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, we'll go with that. You come over to the 3 day. We fully have not gotten our green dot yet. We haven't got the green dot on the weekly yet either. The 3 day is getting close. Look at pump. We are rejecting off the 50 MA right now. You can see right here, pop. Rejections, but momentum still going in. Says we still got time. VWAP has not flipped negative yet. Money flow, strength, Stokes, RSI are looking okay. Now we start zooming in a little more, trying to look into these candles, seeing what it's doing. And I'm trying to give you what I see if I was going to get into a trade. You know, the longer time frame, the weekly and 2 week, I'll take a little leverage shot at that. Now we're zooming in on the daily 2 day. We have weakness to the downside. When I say weakness, I mean not weakness as in it's likely going to break down. I mean like it's getting rejection off the 21 right here. Pop. We're holding above. We reject off the 200. We got above the 21. We didn't break below it. Now we'll come into the 50. Can we get above all three of these major time zones? It's very possible. The money flow is super high on the daily, outflowing. But the momentum's still going up. I mean, this is looking prime to me, man. This is looking good. I really like this. The 12 hour, do we have our Money flow has been good. This is saying on the 12-hour, this is a very strong signal, and actually so far it has marked the bottom on these two green dots coming on in right here. I like this one right here. This is the bad boy right there, man. Double green dot right here, $37. We're up $5.50 from there. We have rejection off the 21. I have a price target of $51 right now, likely this week. If we can get above the 200, you know, you probably have $77 possibly on the table. We're in a bull pennant right now, a very strong bull pennant. Get a little drawing action figures out. What do we got here? Get them bull pennant. Get them bowling. You hatin'. What did I say? 50. What did I say? Did I say 55, 53, something like that? There you go, man. This 51 is the price move of this bull pennant playing out. And on the 4 hour, we're also getting above the 200. Facts. If we can stay above this 200, super bullish sign for this possibly be a play out, man. I take that all day, man. I love this. This is a good sign for Dash. Now let's go cover. Yeah, you did tell me, Vision. I gave you props, man. You called the Pepe, but I've been saying Pepe is the meme coin of this cycle too. So you can't give me too much hate. You know, you gotta try to learn how to make trades long and shorting, so you don't miss out on both halves of the cycle. What did I say? We had we had Jasmine. What coin do I need to do now? I know we have Zebek still. I think it's Zebek's next. Zebek, and then I did Bang. Did I do Bangu? Yeah, I did Bangu. Zebek. Let's take a look at Zebek. Zebek coin. And Dash hit 150. That depends, Daniel Kaufman, if the bull runs back on. We do know that BTC Bitcoin is pushing to around 100K mark. The question is, are we going to stop that? Bitcoin could hit up to all-time highs again? Yeah, why not? It could totally hit those numbers, 100%. Now, that's the question, man. That is the question. Now, if it keeps going, you'll probably hit new all-time highs, but you could probably hit all-time highs as market. How do you eat an elephant, Daniel? One bite at a time. Okay. First, we have to get to a $55 mark, and then possibly 77. So we have to wait and see. You know, I mean, I could tell you all day that we could probably hit 150, but I don't know that for certainty. It's throwing darts blind at a dartboard. You know, I might hit a bullseye once or twice, but I do think we're bullish on Zebek. Dash, pardon me. Where's Zebek at? Needs to get above. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, CryptoMind. Right in that. There's a couple of sweet spots, you know, right in that sweet spot though you were talking about. We need to get above and confirm. Now I'm talking wicks. I'm talking about daily strong confirmation on the head and shoulders higher time frames. Yes, man, that's exactly what we've been talking about in BTC. We'll go back over there in BTC and we analyze it. I just want to cover Zebek for Mr. Axe. He's a good gentleman and a scholar. Following wedge, like straight up, man. Woof! Look at Zebek. Zebek looks like it wants to make some moves on the daily time frame if it snaps out of this. What's the 12-hour say? 12-hour has some strong indicators that possibly could have been the bottom. Above the 21, we're trying to break above the 50 price target. Short-term 12-hour time frame, next day and a half. 0033. 4 hours. Money flow has been coming, ripping in on Zebek. Oh my goodness. Very nice. Very nice to see anybody who out there holding Zebek. Good for you for the gains. You know, it's hard to hold through the bears. We have double bottom right now coming on in on that daily time frame. Very nice to see. I don't know if you can say that swing up, swing down, but you got definitely anchor trigger wave right here. Money flow is ticking up. VWAP's looking good. 2-day also looking good. Does not look like it's done running. 332 on the 2-day time frame. 3-day looks like it's just about getting started. Yeah, dude, it looks good, man. We got some movement coming in right now. Green dot on the momentum right now for the weekly, eyeballing 3.5. So looks good, John. Looks good. That might be a bottom, and also where we rejected off. If you look at our wicks, which I know you can't driving, it is a key level of support. It was a key level of support. Now the question is how hard a rally. If we can get a rally, make a higher high, dude. The bull run for Zebek's gonna go. Now if we come back in and make a high, a low, we come back in. Let's say we go 0043. I'm like, okay, well, that's a lower high. We have to watch it because then it might trade sideways and make a high, a low. So, but you're in that ballpark of possibly a good run is coming back on. Head and shoulders on the higher time. Did I hit all the coins? I know we should probably take a look at Pepe too. We did Dash, we did Pepe. You have a Jasmine. Jasmine's pumping. Everything was pumping, man, right now. Like, what's Bangu, THQ? Look at Bubbles, guys. Check out Bubbles right now. Look at XCN up 26%. Like, what the heck, man? The last hour, this sucker has been a ripping. Onyx coin has been hot. What the heck is this? Tron Bank? Ooh, that's not doing good. That's not doing good. That's scary. But we got Brett pumping 18%. Zebek, one of the leaders we were just talking about, up 10%. Whiff up. I don't know what Tibber is. It's not very old. It's something that I would stay away from. IOTA 7.9%. Sonic, previously FTM, up 10%. Man, I hope they can come back to that. I thought that was going to be a great project, and it kind of been let me down a little bit. We're not even in the top 100. Look at the top 100. Top 100's been hot, dude. Pepe up 15%. Bonk up 25%. It is pulling some gains in today. We even have Crow up 6%. Pippin, which is another meme coin that ChatGPT created, up 22%. Floki up 11.5%. Stacks has been moving too. Oh my goodness, look at Stacks. It's been so dormant for so long. Maybe we should take a look at Stacks. Oh, guys, I gotta clean my glasses. Give me a second. I got like a smudge on them. It's driving me nuts. There's my computer mouse. All right, I'm back. A smudge. To what Crypto Mind's talking about too. He is looking at the same time frame I'm looking at, man. He's talking about the weekly. He's worried just as much as me of a possible head and shoulders pattern coming on in. Woo, which is probably a lot of people are talking about in the market, which 64,000 is potentially on the table. It's one of the reasons why. So right now we're in this bullish momentum leg up. Everything is going to be good for a couple of weeks. So we just have to keep this in mind, man. Don't worry, we're not going to fall for it. We'll stay one head of the game. Dude, we should take a look at some. Oh, dude, I forgot to switch charts. We'll take a look at Bonk. There was that head and shoulder pattern. If you guys didn't see me before, that Crypto Mind's talking about. Okay, let's take a look at Bonk. Man, I missed it, dude, yesterday with the Venezuela. I should have been on that stream. Trent was talking about America first, man. We freaking went in there and took that president. Can you imagine if that happened to us? If Venezuela came in here and took our president, we'd be screwed. What's up? Junk removal delivery solutions. Pepe is going up 100% soon. Then we'll take over the top. Dude, Pepe belongs up there, first off. It just does. It's the number one meme forever. Going up 100% soon, then we'll take over in the top 20 coins. It should be in the top 10. It should boot Doge out of there. Pepe should be above Doge. Why to become the next millionaire in your family? By the way, junk removal. I don't know you. I don't know you, but you sound like a relative of mine. A name like that. Maybe I do know you. Ooh, that pear man's really coming through that whiskey. It tastes good. Let's take a look at Bonk, man. Bonk's been hot. Is it going to continue hot? Let's find out for everybody. And then we should also cover Stacks too. Some of these coins that we should cover, we haven't covered in such a long time. By the way, too, guys, I reached out to Mr. W, one of our guests over from Bitwise. We're gonna try to get him on here pretty soon. We had bullish divergence coming on the weekly. I can't remember the last time we drew that. 2 week we got a double green dot, dude. Yeah, things are gonna be pumping right now. 5 day. Looking tasty, man. Look at that, dude. Wicked up to the 21 moving average. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, guys. That's on the 5 day. Did that in like a day. 3 day shows continuation. Yeah, it looks good, man. This looks good. Kind of makes me think of Pepe. How Pepe was ripping all this week. Let's make some gains on this. Momentum still doing good. 2-day. Right now we're stuck in between the rejection off the 50 on the first candle. First candle we busted through the 21. We reject off the 50. We still got momentum. Stokes are low, and Stokes are low on the 2-day. Still, even with this pump, we got more movement in sight, dude. The money flow is just ticking up, dude. Just coming on in. We just are confirming. If we can confirm tomorrow above the 21, we got a 200 moving average on the table, which is almost 100% gains for bond coming in this week, dude. Memes are fire, guys. Absolute fire. Coming into the 12-hour, we hit the 200 moving average on the 12-hour. Money flow is still increasing. Momentum coming down. I would not full-on trade along right now. If you guys wanted to try to make some gains out of this, I'd be a little nervous coming on in. 4 hours says we might take a little bit of a breather. Maybe set some limit orders in around 401-ish area. Find out whatever area you like, and then go for it, dude. Money flow is coming down a little bit. Momentum's coming down. Like I said, it looks like we could come back down to the 50, and then we could continue just right back up, right where we've been going. Dude, this is awesome, guys. You guys seeing this, man, in the markets? This is sick. Now we got to take a look at stacks. Come on, stacks. Guys, we have 11 people watching right now. Please help us get the likes to the watches over there on YouTube and on X and on Rumble. All of our piece, man. We come on in doing YouTube. It's a hard grind, and we just love it. You know what? Before I should take a look at stacks. STX. That's the space and time. What is stacks? Do I not have stacks in here? Dude, I might not have stacks. We should pull it up. STX, USDT on Mexico. I do have it in here. Oh, it's just slightly below it. That's dyslexia, guys, right there. SXT and STX, man, that's dyslexia. Tell me I'm right. You know I'm right. What is this? Oh, shoot. I came over here on X and I missed something. Guys, if you want to trade some of these gains, guys, we have a promo link in our bio and in our links for BitFi. It's one of the top exchanges we love using. No KYC, no VPN. You save 20% on your trading fees with our link. Now, we have an event bonus running right now, which is, volume based. If you can do 1 million, you can get $129. 5 million, get $330. 20, 50, and 100. Hit us up personally. I'm gonna reach out to our gentleman over there on BitFi and see if we can get you some better deals on your trading fees. Now, if you don't want to do the event bonus right now and try to get some of these gains, we have a link for BTCC also down below. You save 40% on your trading fees with our link. That's dang near 50%. That's real good. They have no KYC, no VPN. The platform's pretty good. It's not as smooth as BitFi, but it's still great. You can still use it. It works good. But they also have the deposit bonus. So you can deposit $500 up to $100,000. You get 10%. So you can get up to $50. You get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus. And if you also want to use that, you guys should come on over to our Discord, which is right here. I'm going to slap it on the screen, guys, so you can see what I'm seeing. And come on over. We're going to go into our group, hit up share link instead. Here's a general chat. But over in our group, we have these things on the side, these panels. And what's over here? We have signals from VIP access, the top ROI traders over at BitFi. So here's some of the signals they've been calling out the last couple of days. Here's long and ADA. Take an entry price 38 cents. Take profit of 42 cents, guys. Dang near. That's a 10% move on 10x leverage, guys. You can make 100% gains off that move. That's very nice. There was a BTC long this morning. Came in at my time zone at 6:30 a.m., which I'm Pacific Standard Time. And with that, you had an entry price of around 90,000, stop loss at 89.5, and take profit at 92,000. Guys, this would played out perfect. This played out phenomenal for you. You would have made those gains right there. So we have a Altcoin long, area entry 139, stop loss 130, take profit 170, guys. Boom, 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 bang, bang, man. Adam, entry price 2.1, stop loss 198, take profit 2.4. There's your setup coming on in. If you don't know it either, you can head on over to market analysis and what you're taking a look at. And you got explanations here. Soul support and resistance, ETH support and resistance, XRP. They gave you all these different areas of support. And then they even call it leading the market. Pepe is rising faster than any other coins, which can sometimes signal the more altcoins may follow. Guys, if you follow the Pepe, you could have hit the bonk one too. Wait to be careful about it. It's over here. The prices are going up very quickly, so short-term pullback is likely. And they did have a short-term pullback. I was talking about it. It's where I slept in the middle of it. I closed my short out. Big players may be selling. Some larger traders appear to be taking profits, you know. And here's key levels. It talks about everything, man. It's beautiful. This is phenomenal. We also have swing signals. If you guys want to swing trade, not just scalp trade, here's a BUSDT or BUSDT. Sorry, you got a long at entry price at 21.18. Take profit 25. I would not personally take in this because the risk versus reward is not there. I like to do the 1-to-3 ratio. We also have an AVE long right here. Entry $1.57, stop loss 140, take profit 180. Guys, you will be up in profit right now if you're in this trade. You actually still could possibly jump into it. ETH Classic, we have $12.50 entry long, stop loss 11.9 with a take profit of $14, guys. Not bad, not bad. This is a good trade I could possibly get into. Bam, gets that wick, gets the reversal, you come back up. Here's your ADA long. ADA is in there, a swing and a scalp entry point. I mean, that is just phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. So, guys, if you want to be part of the Brew Crew and you want to take advantage of our events that we're running BidFi and over on BTCC, check out the links and then join the Discord, guys. Hit us up on X. I think we charge $2.99 for our Discord currently, and you get access to the VIP stuff. But if you hit us up on X, we'll get you in for free. Don't you have to worry about it. If you want to help support the channel and sign up, and you know, I'm not gonna say no. Give me 1 second. I don't know. What are we gonna cover? Oh yeah, stacks. That's right. We were gonna look at stacks. Stacks, guys. Are you stacking your stacks? Coming on in the 1 hour, we have a little bit of bearish divergence for stacks on the 1 hour. We have the swing up. Excuse me. Do a swing down with a red dot for a break. But money flow is so thick, I can't imagine this being a very deep pullback. We've come over to the 4 hour. 4 hour has not flipped reversal yet. Money flow is still thick, dude. It's still thick. Look at that, dude. Above the 200. It is nice. Usually we'll get a small mini pullback, probably back down to 3.2. If we don't make another leg up, that's what I would expect. And then I do believe we'll keep on moving. Money flow's coming in, VWAP's coming down, but we still haven't fully collapsed. We did come up to the 21. We might get a rejection, hang out around like 3.3, which is the 100-day moving average. Come over to the daily time frame. The daily has been ripping on stacks. If you've been paying attention to it, it's there, guys. Gains are in the market. You have to go out there and find them. You have to do your work. I'm trying to help you guys find them as well, man. So thank you guys for coming on in. Looking for these gains. The 2-day, we're above the 21. Rejection off the 50. You know, there's a chance we get that little baby pullback before we continue going up. Not bad, though, guys. Not bad. What else do we have to take? We want to take a look at. Coming back over to bubbles. Let's go cover Pepe. Pepe, guys. Pepe. EP. We go find that Pepe coin. Did we cover Pengu? I don't know if we covered Pengu yet. We should cover Pengu if we haven't. I've been thinking about that in my head, back of my head. Wow, Pepe on the 2 days getting above the 50 MA, dude. Look at that. Woof. On the daily, it smashed above it, dude. Look at the 200. Money flow's been coming on in. VWAP's kind of getting super oversold. But is it done, guys? Is it done? It looks like in the 12 hour, we do finally have a red dot to possibly get a breathing tube. You know, it could come back down to the 200. That is very possible now. Holy cow, Vision. If I took your advice, man, I should have waited above we got the 200 and put that short in. That would have been fired. Fire. We got a little bit of bearish divergence coming on in as well. Looks like there might be a macro pullback or micro to macro. A little bit of possible pullback coming on in for the Pepe. That doesn't mean the run is over. Look at the money flow. It's super duper thick right now. Traders are excited, making gains again. There's your little bit of pullback we got coming back in. We're just gonna hang out and watch it, man. Just hang out and watch it. Pepe, this is the dang near freaking profit take, and I missed, man, when we were talking about it on Vision. Frick, man, I went to sleep. I put my short in right here. I went to sleep, you know. I woke up and it was like right here. Like, shit, I missed my window. I missed my opportunity to take my profits and get out. That's okay. You know, it happens. It happens. What else do we have? Should we take a look at? You know, IP's been pumping pretty dang hard. Let's take a look at IP. Or should we do Cardano? You guys want IP or Cardano? You know, everybody knows Cardano. Ooh, sliding around in my chair. Check out Cardano. Cardano. Maybe Sui. Sui's been a hot one too. Possibly Solana. We probably should have all of those, huh? ETH. ADA gang. Let's get after it, ADA. Oh, I should put a poll in the chat. Let's put a poll in the chat too. Look at Cardano. I'll put a poll in the chat. We want to ask what Bitcoin's next move is. Bitcoin's next move. We're gonna put a question mark in there. Bitcoin's next move. We're gonna say 107K. Let's say 97K. Gotta add a couple more options in here. All-time high. And we're gonna give it a low. Let's say consolidate around 100K. Hope I spelled consolidate right, because I didn't fact check that. I just typed it out looking. All right, we got a poll in there, guys. Fill out the poll. Let's find out what BTC's next move is. What everybody's thinking about. The 1 hour we did have a little green dot, and that's why we pumped into the close. We're above the 20. Oh, wait. We are above the 21 currently. That's nice, man. I like being above the 21. And currently a little bit of a bull in it. Ooh, a little bit of dumpy though right there. Money flow is looking good on Cardano. VWAP breaking up still. So this just looks like an area entry. It's either about to flag up or break back down to the 200. We have a little bit of possible trend reversals coming on in the 12 hour. 12 hour. Wow, look at that inverted head and shoulder pattern on Cardano. Oh my goodness. Look at this bullish divergence he got coming on in. The swing down to a swing up with an anchor trigger wave, dude. That is sick, dude. Sick AF. How did we miss that? That would have been a beautiful long right there. Whew. Gains, man. Gains when we came in, coming on in on that. We are in a little bit of area of resistance right here. Oof. Could get a little bit more. New weekly hike and sheet candles has printed green bullish for BTC and ETH Doge candle. So we're moving up next week. Yes, I agree with you, Dream Tanks. I agree. I think we are moving up. Dream Tanks, do you stream? Are you a streamer? You ever want to do a collab? Coming up to the 50 MA right now on Cardano on the daily. Still bullish, man. 2 day still says we have some to go. Does not say we're done on the longer time frame. 3 day also says we got more to give, dude. It's gonna be a bullish next week. Absolutely, it is. I'm longing my entire bag on everything right now. Throwing money at the train and longs. Let's take a look at Solana. Where's our little soul at? Soul. When I get a PC, my old streaming computer broke, so I will stream soon. All right, man. I can't wait. We have to do a collab. I'll love to do a collab with you. I don't know how big your channel is. If you have streamed or have not, try to get you in here. Oh, we lost a subscriber, guys. You don't like this, man? Oh man, that guy must be a bear. He's definitely bearish. He doesn't like this content, guys. We can get another content, man. Another subscriber. Let's do it, man. Get that 681 back. Hey, cheers to 681 and cheers to Dream Tanks, man. Be a good partnership. We'll get you into our Discord, dude. We have a Discord set up for just other YouTubers in there. We have a couple of people in there that have 100,000 subscribers too. So you can talk to other people and see how they're doing it. But cheers. Woo. American first, man. Oh, here we go. Solana on the weekly has a high or low. Momentum coming in. Stokes RSI, dude. We're definitely in some pumperoonie right now. Pumps are coming in to the market. We don't have the double green dot yet. And the monthly, I'm still nervous on, but dude, this looks like a possible bottom, man. It does look like a possible bottom. You can't unsee it. The 3 days, dude, is pumping good, dude. It's freaking ripping, man. I don't understand how anybody is bearish right now, which is funny because I'm technically bearish on a longer time frame. Like I've seen the 3-month bearish divergence on Bitcoin. Like, I don't know, but I do think that we're pumping, man, to like 100, dang near 100,000 right now in BTC, and I think all the alts are gonna be rallying like really hard. Like, to me, I want to see Solana get up to $171 in the next couple of weeks. Man, I was like next month. Let's get after that, man. Money flow's coming on in. Stokes are low. VWAP's fine. Strength's coming up. 12-hour. We do have a little red dot, man. Where is a major resistance right now? Get up to the 200, 160. Money flow's still looking fine. 4-hour, a little bit curvature to the downside. Let's get a little retest. Actually, it might not even retest. This could straight up leg up. I thought it might come back down, possibly to like $1.32 before moving up. Momentum is coming down, but look at the strength of Stokes. It's really interesting. They kind of get that curvature. We got the green dot. Pepe did this a whole bunch of times, and that's all the little break it took to keep on moving. What's Bonk at? I really want to take a look at Bonk. Like, I think Bonk might have a good run. Like, I really do think it can have a trade in here because it's just how well Pepe did. I really want to see if I can snipe a trade on Bonk. I mean, look at how hot it is too. It's pulling back, but I want to try to catch that falling knife. 1 hour's breaking low. If I'm going to get into an entry point, where should I be looking? Look at that, dude. It just looks like a bull flag, dude. You kidding me, guys? You guys can't see this, can you? Or can you? Like, it just looks good. Dude, look at it, man. It looks like Bonk has a whole nother leg wanting to go into the market, and the whole market's bullish. Bonk should go to quad 015, which is like another 30% move before figuring out what it wants to do. Now, the money flow has been coming down. Dude, it hasn't retraced a whole lot. Let's just be honest. The momentum is still coming down. The VWAP's still coming down a little bit. Like, I'm really thinking like we have a double green dot right now on the 5-minute. It's trying, dude. Like, this could be a move. Rejection off that trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we stretch this trend line out, I'm just stretching out, trying to see what we kind of got, what we're looking at. We could grow more, but dude, it's looking sick. Chasing cash box using the 12-minute, 24-minute. Do a doji candle for a trend reversal. That's good. I take those all day, man. Coming down, rejection off this trend line. Money flow has been coming down. If we break below the 250 MA, I don't know, man. Maybe I'll put an entry price at around 1-0. See if I can hit it in the middle of the night. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off because I gotta go get food with my family. They are in here. They're like, guys, you're addicted to crypto. All you want to do is look at Bitcoin and talk forever and ever and ever about everything. But I just want to give you guys. Oh, dude, look at silver up to $75, dude. Silver's pumping right now where we've been talking. 24 minutes breaking above the 200. Let's go, silver. Let's get it. But guys, I just want to say cheers. Join our Discord, guys. Hit us up on X. You want to get in there for free. We love having you. We can talk and scalp trade and swing trade and bounce advice off each other. You know, Trent and I, he uses Lux Algo. I use Market Cipher. I really want you guys to win. You know, we do get kickbacks, man, off our trading links in there or off the events that we run and stuff like that. So we're inclined to give you our best advice that we can give you. We want you to make gains. Everybody hates losing, number one, too. When everyone loses, everyone gets irritated and upset. But hey, you know, thank you for coming on in, guys. Thanks for help supporting the Blockchain Brew channel. We are constantly growing. We are so close to launching that merch store. I know we were supposed to do it in November. I'm like, it's coming. I promise you it's coming. There was like some annoying thing that we had to deal with like getting the business number license, and like government whole shutdown happened, and that kind of slowed it down, which is kind of dumb and annoying. Then the holidays happened, and so it's just kind of, we're getting there. That's January. Let's get it, man. All right, guys. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you, Dream Tanks. Thank you, Junk Removal Delivery Solutions. Thank you, Axe. Thank you, Crypto Mind. Thank you, Daniel Kaufman. Thank you, DZ. Thank you, Wheel Meta. Thank you, everybody, for coming on in. And on that note, guys, we'll be blessed. We'll be back tomorrow, 7:30 Pacific Standard Time. Cheers. Have a good night. Man, Trent, we have such a great and strong community. Crypto's going great. The bull run's going to get back online. I'm stoked about the excitement we have coming onto the markets. You guys take care.